Mr. President, with all due respect, the Constitution does not provide that the Senate President must preside in cases of impeachment trial.
Tama.
The Constitution provides is that when the President is undergoing impeachment, going through the trial, is being tried, the Chief Justice must preside.
Right.
Nowhere in the Constitution, in the provisions on public accountability and impeachment, does it say that the Senate President must preside when the Vice President is under trial or any other impeachable officer. And precisely because of this, and precisely because the Constitution likewise allows Congress, not the impeachment court, Congress, to promulgate its own rules.
Right.
The Senate did. In June 3, we proposed amendments to the rules under our rulemaking power, which, by the way, was subsequently ratified when we convened in a special session on June 17. The June
Tama.
3 journal was ratified unanimously on June 17 when we had
Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina.
and in the June 3 minutes and the journal, precisely, we approved the amendments to the rules. This was further ratified on June 17. Therefore, it is considered regular. The presumption of regularity now comes into force. But having said that, Mr. President, the good gentleman from Taguig has brought this matter before the Supreme Court. And we agree with the point earlier raised by the Senate President. This matter should be either discussed in the Senate in plenary as a legislative body, or if he has questions which may in fact turn out to be valid, he has brought this matter before the Supreme Court. And therefore, this impeachment court is not the venue for this debate, Mr. President. If there is anyone who is out of order, with due respect, I think the proper process is the matter is pending before the Supreme Court. There is no temporary restraining order.
Yan,
There was
kakasabi ko lang eh.
status quo ante order. It was not granted.
Correct.
And therefore, the presumption of regularity
Correct.
behooves us as an impeachment court.
Huling-huli ko today ah.
And finally, Mr. President, allow me to reiterate, the point of order is improper. In fact, the debate on this matter here in the impeachment court is out of order, Mr. President.
Sir
For the record.
President,
So,
Sir President,
so
before you decide, Mr. President,
the chair has already
Sir
ruled.
President, before you rule,
That the chair
Senator
has
Pia
already
wants
ruled.
Oh, bastos talaga.
Just
and
2 minutes.
may I respond to
May I-
Senator
I'll
Pangilinan?
allow the gentleman from Taguig to rebut for 2 minutes, and then we will make the final
Yes.
ruling.
Before I rebut, I'm from Ateneo Law School. And what they taught us there is that
Okay.
you look at the records of the Constitutional Commission and then pag klaro, klaro. But let's call someone from UP Law to see whether they were taught the same thing. Senator Pia, may I ask that Senator Pia be
We
recognized?
recognize
Wow.
the
Get my
lady
2
from
minutes.
Taguig, Senator Pia Cayetano.
Wow. Wait. So what? Kung taga-Ateneo ka at ikaw, kayo lang ba ang taga-Ateneo? Kayo lang ba ang taga-UP? Anong antipaklo? Tingin nyo, mga kababayan, si Chis Escudero nga, taga-UP. Yun din ang sinabi niya eh. Oh. Ano ngayon? Ito yung gusto nila mangyari, mga kababayan. Kaya gusto nila si Win Gatchalian na umupo para pwede nilang insultuhin at pwede nilang i-undermine lahat ng sasabihin niya. Kaya, tinan nyo, nangyayari na. Diba? Ayan na yun eh. Nangyayari na. Hinulaan na natin to. Nagpaka-Nostradamus na naman ako. Ayan na.
In the majority that are lawyers, and for those who are not lawyers, you definitely have consultants who are lawyers. Wala naman siguro ni isang senador dito na walang consultant na abogado. Kahit ako abogado, ang dami ko hong staff na abogado din. Why? Because these are legal issues. We need to talk to the experts. Kung pag-uusapan natin ang mental health, physical health ng Vice President, then of course we will not listen to lawyers. We will listen to doctors, di ba? So this is a legal issue. Let's hear what the lawyers have to say. But let me just quote, because I know the Senate President doesn't have time to call on all the lawyers. So if you ask your lawyers in your staff, I'm sure nag-abala sila to look at the constitutional records, to look at the journal. I'm sure. And if they did not, please take your cell phone now and text your staff. What does the constitutional journal, the records of the debate show? Sinabi na po ni Senator Alan Cayetano, you can question him, you can doubt him, ask your staff. May I ask you, dear colleagues, let's do our job well. The same way when you stand up and you tell me to do my job well and you disagree, I disagree with your point of view, I will listen intently to your point of view. And I'm looking at each one of you because this is our solemn duty. What does the Constitution say? Nakalagay doon, the Chief Justice, pag the President. Silent nga po sa iba. So sabi ng iba, at yan ang sinasabi ng Senate President natin na mukhang pwedeng iba. So we looked at what the constitutional framers said. What did they say? Nagdebate na po sila, colleagues. Nagdidebate tayo dito. Pag sinabi ng sponsor, ito na yung paliwanag, yung nag-i-interpolate at nagbibigay ng amendment, sinasabi niya, okay, yung pala paliwanag mo, okay na ako. No need to amend. Yun at yun din ang...
Gusto ko lang i-mute to kasi naiingayan ako kay Pia Cayetano. Para siyang nanay na na nagsisermon. But anyway, sino kasi mga kababayan, kung babalikan natin yung original intention of the framers of the Constitution, walang problema, balikan natin. Pero hindi doon sa isang parte lang. Sana binalikan nila hanggang doon sa parte na isinulat ng framers of the Constitution na ang Kongreso ay merong karapatan, may kapangyarihan na baguhin ang kanilang rules. Sana ibinalik nila doon. Bakit kaya sinabi yun ng mga framers of the Constitution na pwedeng baguhin ng Kongreso ang rules sa kung ano man sa kung ano man ang makakatulong o magbibigay pagkakataon sa impeachment para magpatuloy ng maayos. Puntahan natin, wait, para lang pair. Para lang pair. Wait, asa na ba yung ano ko? Kasi mga babayan, nagde-debate tayo sa ganito, nagde-debate sila sa bagay na hindi naman ganun ka-importante. Mas importante yung hearing mismo eh. Ang gusto nila kasi, i-delay pa ng 3 weeks para magkaroon ng tawag dito, pagkakataon si Sara Duterte na whatever man, kung ano man yung pinaghahandaan nila. Pero kasi mga kababayan, lalagay ko lang ha, kung gusto talaga nilang maging fair sa usapin na yan, wait lang, tatanggalin ko yan ha. Remove. Ito. Ay, mali. Ito pala sa kabila. Ayan. Ayan. The Congress shall promulgate its rules on impeachment to effectively carry out the purpose of this section. Hindi naman binabago yung Constitution eh. Ang binabago yung rules. Oh. Saan pa ba? House na to eh. So, again, mga kababayan, sana ikwento nyo rin bakit nandito to. Kasi hindi naman yung Constitution ang binabago. Ang binabago ay yung rules to effectively carry out its function, di ba? Oh, balik.
Acknowledge of former Senate President, Senator Tito Soto.
Thank you, Mr. President. Tama-tama yung sinabi ng distinguished lady from Taguig. Tanungin daw yung mga legal staff. Binigay nga sa akin ng legal staff ko, eksakto ganito eh. Article 11, Section 6, page 154. Constitution is silent regarding presiding officer of Senate impeachment. However, the Constitution expressly provides that the Chief Justice will preside if President is on trial. O ngayon, yung mga graduate ng Ateneo, tsaka ng mga UP, ito ngayon yung legal maxim. Expressio unius et exclusio alterius. In other words, the express mention of one thing is the exclusion of another. Palagay ko, naintindihan nyo lahat ganyan. Itong akin. Sa publiko yung sa akin.
Sa publiko sa akin.
Sa publiko ngayon nanonood sa atin.
Correct.
Dapat resorting too much technicalities kasi ang public interest ang iniisip nila rito. Eh. They want to expedite the proceedings. They want the trial, not rules. They're interested in the trial, not rules. In the interest of justice, sabi nga nila, sometimes rules are not sacrosanct. But itong nangyayari ngayon dito, ang publiko ang importante rito. Where does the Constitution emanate from? From the public, from the people of the Republic. So, desisyonan nyo na to, Mr. President, para matapos na.
Sir President, can I have my 2 minutes? Sir President.
Once again, let me reiterate the position of the chair. My humble position is that this matter should be discussed during plenary when the Senate is convened as a legislative body. And may I ask the gentleman from Taguig if he is objecting to this position?
I'm objecting that position and will call for a vote. May I explain? I think under the rules, I can explain why I'm asking
We'll
for a
call
vote.
for a vote first, and
Mr.
then
President,
we'll
We can explain,
allow.
Mr. President, under the rules, I can explain why I'm calling for a vote first so that I can convince them to vote for me.
No, under the rules,
When you object,
there's an
Mr.
objection. The vote will proceed without any explanation,
President,
and after
under
that,
the
we will
rules-
allow the gentleman from Taguig to explain his vote.